Hello, this is Tim Willis of Full Moon Funnels, and today we're going to be doing a on-the-fly walkthrough tutorial of creating a thumbnail for a YouTube video in Click Designs. And I haven't planned this out at all as usual, and we're just going to go and record the process. And of course, I'm doing this video on my Ghettowood system, which is a laptop, a webcam that's built in, a flimsy ring light, Nady knockoff of a Shure 57, except it's really not, Presonus Audio Box USB, which I actually paid real money for. Nothing fancy going on here, and I am the most non-gimmicky guy you're ever going to find. So there'd be no flashbang effects, no fancy jump cuts. We're just going to record this using OBS and do some basic editing and call it a day. So let's go on and get on to the instruction as we make a thumbnail for a YouTube video in Click Designs. Okay, here we are in Click Designs, and I've squeezed myself down into the lower left hand corner of the screen where hopefully I won't be in the way. We'll find out. I would be just as happy making faceless videos, but one of my mentors told me that people want to see my face, so you asked for it, here's my mug. Alright, so at the front screen of Click Designs, we're going to go to our toolbar here and scroll till we get to the section that says thumbnails. In its current form, this is just for YouTube, and we're going to go ahead and select this size here, and we see we have a whole bunch of templates we can choose from, so I'm going to look through there and see if there's anything that strikes my fancy. You can also start one from scratch, and I think we might go with this one. Let's take a look at the preview. Yeah, it'll need to be changed up some, but I think we'll go with this. So we'll click on Use Template, give it a name. And there we have our thumbnail. I'll go ahead and I'll squeeze it down some so we can see the whole thing. So here we've got our start here. So what we're going to do here, start pulling some things away. So I'm going to select this picture of this dude here, and we're going to get rid of him. And I'm going to import an image. Okay, and this is a logo for ClickFunnels 2.0 that I have already processed, so it has a transparent background, and we will just put it right about there for now. And we're going to get rid of this and this, and if you notice in Click Designs, when you see something that looks like a button, then it's actually two elements. It's a shape element and a text element together. We'll probably keep the text right there for now. I'm not so sure about the colors, so let's go ahead and bring up Adobe Color. Okay, this is Adobe Color. It's free. Adobe makes it, and it helps you pick out colors, put together palettes and that sort of thing. There's many programs like this on the internet. There's another one I use often called coolors.io, coolors.io, but lately I've been using Adobe Color more. So let's go ahead and click on Explore, choose one of these, and let's go with the primary colors. Okay, we're just going to see if we can pick out something we kind of like. We might go with this one, so if we click on that, it will bring it on the screen. And there you can see we can get our hex codes right off of there. So actually what I'm going to do here is get rid of this image because I want to replace it with something else. And that's a good example because you can see what we have once you take around that image that was in the background. What we're left with is the text box, the image we imported, and a shape that's here on the side. We'll probably go ahead and keep that, but we may want to change the color. Let's try putting our blue in there. Okay, I like that. Now the blue we get from this palette, I loaded it up in Adobe Color. So I kind of like that. Let's go ahead and try our yellow and see how that works on our background. So in the background, we will just choose that. The yellow's a little bright. Let's see what else we have. Here, black. I'm not so sure. Red's a little too orangey. So let's go back out and pick a different set here. Something. Let's try this one here. Okay, that's not quite as annoying. Alright, and because it's yellow there, we will probably go ahead and change our text to black. At least for right now. And let's go ahead and change the wording. In Click Designs, you have to do all your changes to text in this edit text box that's over on the left side toolbar. Alright, so we got our text. It's a little big, but that's okay for right now because we're going to be probably changing our font. And our font is down here. And one of the nice things about Click Designs is if you mouse over a font, it will show you what it's going to look like. Not every program does that, so it's kind of a bonus. And I generally just randomly scroll around until I find something I like, unless I have something in mind beforehand, which I didn't in this case. Okay. I think we'll go with this Genuine Book Basic. And then let's go up here and make it bold, see how that looks. Yeah, actually, I think I'll go with the bold, and then I want to change the font size a little bit. And you see here, there's this little line that allows us to line things up. Do it like that, and then we want to see in our shape, find something here to stick in there to give it a little pizzazz. And so you have a whole bunch of different things here which we could choose from. Let's go ahead with our curves. And you can change the color on all these. So let's just throw that in there. And you can turn them around like so. Make them bigger. Let's take that. Okay. That gives us a little bit more color. And let's go ahead and duplicate that. We're going to flip it around. And stick that in the corner there. Alright, so we're just going to go with what we have here. We got a couple of colors, we got a logo, we got a title. That's going to be good enough just for a basic thumbnail. I don't get too fancy with it. And I'll leave a link to Click Design in the description so you can take a look at it and learn more about it. Full disclosure, I am affiliate, but I really don't push it that hard. Anyway, we're going to save this. And then we'll exit. Once we exit, we get back to the main panel. Click Designs. We can see it's the most recent thing created. It'll show up right here. We can press the 3 dots and we can do several things, but in this case, we're just going to download it. And then I will be using that in my project. So that is pretty much it for the walkthrough today. So that is the video for today on creating a thumbnail and click designs for a YouTube video. It's just a little walkthrough, and I just decided to record what I was doing as I was doing it. So this is Tim Woods, Full Moon Funnels, and this YouTube channel is devoted to all things related to funnel building, based around ClickFunnels mainly, but also all the other tools that we use when we're building sales funnels. So this is Tim Woods, and I'm going to close it out now, and we will talk to you next time until the next video rolls around. Bye.